Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious breakfast cazuelitas. In case you guys don't know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. So we're going to begin by making our cazuelita shells. I have my pot set on medium heat and my oil is nice and hot. So we're going to grab our spoon, place the tortilla on top and carefully dip it. Once the tortilla begins to soften, we're going to carefully press it down and just hold it for about 10 seconds, just until the tortilla holds its shape. You could just release it and allow it to get nice and golden. Okay, so after the minute, our tortilla should be nice and hard. So of course, just check it. Drain as much oil as possible. Going to grab a little salt and just set it on a paper towel. And we're just going to continue repeating the process until we have shaped all of our tortillas. Okay, so once we have all of our cazuelitas, now we are ready to make our papas con chorizo and huevo. So I have my pan, I'm going to set it on medium heat, add a little bit of oil, and just allow it to heat up. Once hot, we're going to be adding 4 medium-sized potatoes. And I'm just going to season the potatoes with salt, black pepper, and garlic salt. We're just going to allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Make sure that you're moving it around constantly. Okay, after 5 minutes, we're going to move our potatoes to the side and we're going to add 8 ounces of chorizo. So allow the chorizo to cook for about 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to add 1 roma tomato, 1 serrano, and a 1/4 piece of white onion. So mix it all together and give it a couple minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, our potatoes should be soft. So of course, just make sure that you check them. And at this point, we're going to add our eggs. And I'm going to be using 9, but of course you use as many as you want. And just begin to mix them. And begin to mix everything together. And cook it until the eggs are all done. Alright, so once our eggs are all fully cooked, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. And just like that, now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, putting our cazuelitas together. So we're going to grab our shell, and I'm going to be adding some refried beans. So just kind of spread them on the bottom. Just like that. I'm going to top it with our egg mixture. And of course you add as much as you want. And we're going to keep it very simple. Just going to add a pico de gallo with avocado and top it with queso fresco. And just like that, now we can get ready to enjoy our delicious breakfast cazuelitas. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this breakfast idea is seriously super simple and it's just fun. You know, the little cazuelitas are so cute. And of course you can top them with whatever your favorite toppings are. But for me, this is just seriously super delicious. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. A simple but super delicious breakfast, just like that. And the fun thing is that all of your toppings and everything stays together, you know, like a little cazuelita. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious breakfast cazuelitas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.